Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add variants of a product on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your shopify.com and you will log into your admin. This is where you will get, and I'll show you how to add variants of a product. For that, we will have to go to the product section here, and you can either create a new product or select the product that you already created. So what I'm going to do is I will be selecting this one right here and creating some of the variants for it. Just open up the product. All right, so it will show you the title, description, then we have media, pricing, inventory. So here, inventory, you will be able, so you can see if I scroll down, then we have options. So if I select this product has option like sizes or colors, I will check this and I will be able to create the variants. Keep in mind, it is just under your product where you create a product. Scroll down and you will find the options. First of all, let's actually create a variant for the sizes. So I'm going to select size. In size, we have small, then we have medium and large. So these are going to be the three variants of this product. Click enter and they will be created. Then let's add another one. It's going to be color. So I'm going to go with color. In color, we have black, red, blue, and gray. So these are the colors. Click on done. And now you can see I have 12 new variants of a product. We have small black, small red, then we have small blue, medium black, medium red, medium blue, a large blue, then we have large gray, so all of the different variants. We can now actually add the images for each variant. Then we can click on the edit and delete the variants, edit the barcodes, and add regions and locations. We can also customize the pricing for each variant. Let's say one of the variant is more famous, for example like a medium red, then I can actually make it like a little expensive, or we can make others less in pricing. So this is how you can create variants of your product on Shopify, customize them. Once you're done, click on save and the variants will be saved and created. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.